I get lost sometimes, like everybody else. Lose track of my lifelines, lose track of myself. And there's all kinds of reasons to be scared and run away. It's a good time for sad times, like heaven couldn't be farther from the places that heaven always finds me. But if nobody cares, tell me how is it I keep getting saved this way? It's a sunrise from a lonely night, like a smile in a stranger's eyes. It's the moments that save my life, nobody knows about, like flashlights. There's just enough hope and it shines, so go on scared step at a time. When the world's too dark, I'll find your flashlight. Counting, and Lord, I'm glad you don't keep score. My prayers are all the same as the ones I prayed before. Yeah, thank you and forgive me. My rough around the edges hard as yours. And at the moments when you swear I'm just screaming at the sky, it's a stranger's conversation or a friend just stopping by. And it's funny when I realize all the places that your miracles can hide.